Hello everyone. In this video, we'll take a few examples to understand how to find the exact value of trigonometric ratio or trigonometric function when an angle given in radian measure. So here we'll take a few examples to understand this concept very clearly. Okay. So here the first question is find the value of tan 90 pi by 3. The angle given in radian measure. So let us see how to find the exact value of tan 90 pi by 3. Okay. So here angle is given in radian measure. Okay. So here given 90 pi by 3. Okay. So first write alongside 90 by 3. Okay. Now divide 90 by 3. Okay. So this is 3 6 18. Remainder is 1. Okay. Okay. And 19 6 18. So remainder is 1. Now again dividing, what will come when 19 divided in one more times? Here 6 means one more 7. What will come? So 3 7 21. Okay. 3 7 21. So here remainder is minus 2. Okay. This will be due in all the question where angle given in radian measure. Okay. One more step will also proceed. Okay. Here hide the minus sign and will compare the remainder, which remainder is less. Okay. After hiding the negative sign, so here we will compare. So 1 is less. Okay. 1 is less. So this is written. Now tan, this is written 6 3 into 6. Okay. Plus 1 by 3 pi. Okay. And from the next line, this is written as tan. So this is written as 3 into 6 by 3 plus 1 by 3 pi. So 3 cancel out and pi multiply inside the term. So we will get tan 6 pi plus pi by 3. Okay. Tan 6 pi plus pi by 3. Yes, 6. Now here you can check that 6 3 are 18 plus 1 90 pi by 3. Okay. So this is correct. And here we observe that 6 pi plus pi by 3 lies in the which quadrant? Okay, now check. This is 1 pi, this is 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, okay, 5 pi, 6 pi. Okay, here 6 pi and plus is here. So we clearly observe 6 pi plus pi by 3 lies in the first quadrant. Okay, and in first quadrant all trigonometric ratio is positive, and in case of pi and 2 pi the ratio will not be changed. So this is tan pi by 3. Okay, tan pi by 3. Okay, this is tan pi by 3. And now write the value of tan pi by 3. Okay, tan pi by 3. What will be the value of tan pi by 3? Okay, so the value of tan pi by 3 is square root 3. Okay, square root 3. Okay, I hope this is clear. And similarly we will find the value of trigonometric function sin minus 11 pi by 3. Okay, sin minus 11 pi by 3. So as we know the relationship between minus x degree and x. Okay, so what we know? We know sin minus x equal to minus sin x. So above means the given sin minus pi 11 pi by 3 becomes this is sin minus sin, okay, minus sin 11 pi by 3. Okay, minus sin 11 pi by 3. And again now divide 11 by 3. 11 by 3. So 3 3 is 9. 2 and will check what will come remainder when 11 is divided by 4 times. So 3, this is 11 and 4. So 3 4 is 12. Here remainder will come minus 1. Now write the negative sign. We will check which remainder is minimum. So here see that 1 is minimum. Okay, so we will take this division. Okay, so 11 pi by 3 can be written as minus sin 3 into 4 minus 1 by 3 pi. Okay, and this is minus sin. Here 3 cancel out, so 4 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, after simplification 3 cancel out and will comes minus sin 4 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, now check this quadrant 4 pi minus pi by 3 lies. So this is first pi, second pi, third pi and fourth pi. Okay, so this is lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, lies in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant only tan, okay, only tan and cot, only tan and cot is positive and remaining trigonometric function is negative. So sin 4 pi minus pi by 3 is equal to minus sin. Okay, so here already minus sin and one more negative sign comes, so minus sin pi by 3. And again simplify So we will get sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3. So the value of sin pi by 3 is pi by 3 in degree measure is 60. Okay, 60. So value of sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Okay, square root 3 by 2. So this is exact value of sin minus 11 pi by 3. Okay, now move to the last example. This is cot minus 15 pi by 4. Okay, minus 15 pi by 4. What will be the value of cot minus 15 pi by 4? So as we know that cot minus x equal to minus cot x. Okay, minus cot minus x equal to minus cot x. So therefore the value of cot minus 15 pi by 4 equal to minus cot 15 pi by 4. Okay, minus cot 15 pi by 4. So again 15 divided by 4. So here 15 divided by 4, 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, and remainder is 3, and also 4 divided in 4 times, so 4 4 is 16, so minus 1. After adding the negative sign, we will compare which remainder is minimum. Okay, so here we will find one is minimum. So we take this division. So 15 pi by 4 can be written as 15 4 into 4 into 4 minus 1 by 4, and this is pi. Okay, and minus cot, this is also written as 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 pi, and this is minus cot, 4 cancel out, so minus cot 4 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, so check this which quadrant lies. So this is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Okay, and minus pi by 4. So this is lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, only tan and cot is positive and remaining is negative. So cot minus cot 4 pi minus pi by 4 is equal to minus, and this is minus, this is positive. Okay, cot is positive, so cot pi by 4. Okay, so value of cot pi by 4 is minus 1. Value of cot pi by 4 is 1, and here already negative sign, So okay, here this is fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant only cos and sec is positive. Okay, cos and sec is positive. Here being mistake. Okay, only cos all school to college. Okay, so only cos and sin is positive. So the value of cot pi by 4, cot pi 4 pi minus pi by 4 is minus cot pi by 4. Okay, so this is minus plus cot pi by 4. So value of cot pi by 4 is 1. So this is required value of cot minus 15 pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay.